once again, reviewing our steps, a portion of Medtronic's portfolio having to do with cardiac. We did the forward citation analysis in 2 different ways. Found a company of interest, Biotronic, took a look at the documents in their portfolio that's citing our company's portfolio of interest. And that's what we have here as set 11. One further thing we could do to kind of complete the loop here is to say, okay, so we have 117 patent families from Biotronic that's citing Medtronic stuff. What specific documents from Medtronic's portfolio are they citing? So once again, we can come in and we can say, let's do the backwards analysis from here. Citation backwards, set 11. And what from our set of interest, which is set 6, is also in that set 12. So here we have the 213 documents in your client's portfolio, this is Medtronic's portfolio, that we know from this analysis is being cited by that company, by Biotronics. So here then you have, I mean, and we've been doing this for maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and now we have identified a specific set of documents based on this citation analysis that may possibly be of interest to an external company in terms of a licensing decision. So I was just so impressed with, the straightforwardness of this workflow, using citation data to come to this analysis. Figured that this might be an interesting exercise as well in PatBase. And I think it's even easier in PatBase, thanks to those nifty citation search capabilities that it has.